excited. She loves it. She loves it. She loves it. Okay, but you gotta try them on now. And I'm back. So that was all the pieces that I failed for Renee. She loves every last bit of the pieces that I picked, and I'm so happy because it took me a week to pick out these clothes and to make sure they fit and to make sure they style to her liking. I have 2 more people after her, so you guys stay tuned for that. Alright. Are you excited to try it on?
Yeah, I want to try the one. Can I try the one now?
Wait, look, damn. Did you wash your ass? At least?
I did wash my ass.
Thank you. Oh, she's excited. She loves it. She loves it. She loves it. How do we like it? I like it. She has the boots, the heels. Okay. Can you put your hand to the back? Let the people see the front. Yes, yes, yes. Give us a spin. Love it. How do you feel about this one?
I love this.
Me too. It really goes with the hair. The whole look is given. It's giving boss bitch. That's what we wanted. All right, next outfit. Yes. Remember when I told you guys it would look fabulous on her because she has a big butt? Turn around. People let see them thighs. Wow. How do you like?
I love this.
Yes. Me too. I really like this one. All right. This is it. On to the next one. Let's do it. Yeah. I don't even know. The third. So we have the flary pants. We have the white crop top. Give them a spin. Yes, this is the back. This is the front. Okay. Scale of 1 to 10. 10. She loves it. On to the next one. The black skirt. It's flary. It's giving fun. It's giving summer. And the cool thing about that skirt is that you can still wear it to September to October, even in the winter. But you can wear leggings with it. I mean, not leggings. Tight, stockings or whatever the case may be. And it fits just for me. And it's not short in the back like most skirts. Yes, we love this for you, do we? We love this. We love it. Blue skirt with the pink top. I thought you hate pink. How do you feel about pink now?
I like it with the skirt.
Period.
I still hate pink, but
Girl.
I fucking love this.
It goes with your complexion and it is like totally fire. Let me see the back. Yes. Now show them the split. The split. It's the split for me.
Splits.
Yes. It's the split and it's the attitude for me. I like it all together. They both complement each other and they both pop out.
I feel like a mermaid.
Yes, she feels like a mermaid. 10 out of 10.
10.
My little outfit for Renaya. She absolutely loves it. So we have the black top with the skirt. We tried it on with the black pants.
Yes.
And it was actually way better than this that I like. But anyways, it still could go with this pants or the skirt or the pants. And yeah, I love it. She loves all of it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, would you trust me again with styling your clothes?
I trust you 100%.
Is it not because we're just friends?
It's because she's great at what she does.
Okay, guys, you heard it here first. And yeah, so we'll see you. Well, you guys get to see the pictures later. So, okay, say bye, Renee.
Bye.
Hey guys, I'm back. So that was all the pieces that I failed for Renee. She loved every last bit of the pieces that I picked, and I'm so happy because it took me a week to pick out these clothes and to make sure they fit and to make sure they style to her liking. I have 2 more people after her, so you guys stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!